What if I told you the factory worker, the cashier, and the home assistant are about to be replaced by a single machine? This isn't science fiction anymore. We are standing at the critical juncture where the ultimate form of automation is becoming real: the humanoid robot. For years, robots were locked in cages, doing repetitive tasks on assembly lines. They were dumb, bolted to the floor, and only good at one thing. Now, we are watching the birth of machines that can see, learn, think, and move exactly like a person. This shift from static factory automation to mobile, intelligent humanoid robots changes everything about how we earn money, how we work, and how we live. Stick with me for the next few minutes. I'm going to break down the specific capabilities of these machines, show you the immediate risks to your current income, and, most importantly, reveal the new, high-value side hustles you need to start right now to profit from this technological tidal wave. If you're ready to stop watching the future happen and start building your piece of it, hit that like button. You've probably seen the viral clips. We are no longer dealing with the clumsy, slow robots of the 90s. The new generation of humanoid robots is truly mind-blowing. Take a Mecca from Engineered Arts. This isn't a worker, it's a social experiment. A Mecca can replicate human expressions with unnerving accuracy. It can wink, frown, look surprised, and even draw. Why does that matter? Because the ability to mimic human behavior isn't just a party trick. It's the key to integrating robots into customer service, elder care, and education. It's about building trust and familiarity, which makes the replacement of human workers far smoother. Then you have Neo, the robot from OpenAI. Neo is a physical testbed for artificial general intelligence, AGI. It's designed to learn and adapt to human-like tasks in a general environment. Think of it. A single machine capable of learning its way around an office, restocking shelves, and then learning to code in the afternoon. Neo represents the idea that one robot won't just replace one job, it could replace half a dozen. This new class of humanoid robots is defined by three things: mobility, dexterity, and intelligence. They can navigate complex, unpredictable environments like your home or a busy warehouse. Their hands have the fine motor skills to pick up tiny objects or use standard human tools. And most critically, they are powered by advanced AI models that allow them to reason and problem solve in real time. This is the game changer. Now let's talk brass tacks. Where does this technology hit the economy first? It's going straight for the low-hanging fruit, jobs that require moderate mobility and simple decision-making. We are seeing proof-of-concept deployments in warehousing, logistics, and cleaning services. Why? Because these are high-churn, high-cost areas for human employers. A humanoid robot doesn't ask for a raise, doesn't need lunch breaks, and can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This isn't just about saving money on wages, it's about solving the massive supply chain and labor shortage problems that plague the modern economy. But here's the twist. This displacement creates a massive opportunity for smart hustlers. When you look at the job market, don't focus on the jobs being replaced. Focus on the new jobs being created around the robots. Every single one of these machines needs maintenance, programming, and most importantly, they need data labeling and validation. This is the hustle pivot. We are talking about the next generation of AI side hustles. The real money isn't in building the robots, it's in servicing the ecosystems they create. Method number 1. Robot maintenance and training. Companies deploying these machines will need local, on-demand technicians who can troubleshoot hardware. This is a highly profitable, localized microservice. You don't need a PhD in robotics. You need certifications in electronics and software diagnostics. Think of it as being the local IT guy, but for a physical multi-million-dollar asset. Method number 2. Data validation and edge case programming. Remember when I said these robots are brittle? They fail when they encounter something new, an object on the floor, a confusing social signal, or a complex tool. Businesses will pay heavily for freelancers who can analyze robot failures, label the data, and write the custom code snippets that teach the robot how to handle that specific edge case. This is a high-value skill that bridges the gap between machine learning and real-world application. It's essentially teaching the AGI how to handle the messy reality of human life. Method number 3. Ethical and safety auditing. As humanoid robots interact directly with the public, there will be massive liability concerns. Companies will need auditors to ensure the robot's actions are safe and ethically sound. Can the robot discriminate? Is it handling sensitive data correctly? This offers a massive opportunity for those with expertise in compliance and safety protocols. This is a consulting gig that pays extremely well because the risks of failure, legal and financial, are huge. Now that you know what kind of opportunities exist, let's look beyond the hype and talk about the real limits of these machines. The media loves to show the highlights, the robot running, the robot doing a backflip. But the reality is that widespread deployment of humanoid robots still faces severe technical challenges. This is important because these limits define the window of opportunity for human entrepreneurs. The first limit is cost and battery life. A fully functional, state-of-the-art humanoid robot can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. The return on investment is slow, and they still require frequent charging. This means they are only viable in high-value, high-labor cost environments. They aren't coming for the low-wage jobs in developing countries yet. They are coming for the most expensive human labor first. This is a risk for the current workforce, but it also creates the service opportunity I just mentioned. The second limit is dexterity and fine motor control. While their hands are impressive, they still struggle with tasks that require subtle force feedback, like threading a needle or handling fragile objects without breaking them. This is why the human element, the technician who can step in when the robot fails, is so crucial. The third limit is common sense and social intelligence. While a Mecca can mimic human behavior, it doesn't understand the context of that behavior. If a person drops something, the robot can be programmed to pick it up. But the robot won't understand the social cue that the person is embarrassed or frustrated. This is where human empathy and nuance remain the holy grail of AGI research, and it's a massive barrier to true human replacement. To be honest, this surprised me. We have robots that can solve complex physics problems, but they can't handle a simple, unexpected human interaction. It shows that the true value of human workers, the ability to deal with the messy, illogical reality of human life, is our current moat against automation. The rise of humanoid robots brings up profound ethical dilemmas that you, as a tech-savvy generation, need to be aware of. The first is the accountability problem. If a robot powered by opaque AGI makes a mistake, say it causes injury in a nursing home or damages expensive property, who is legally responsible? Is it the manufacturer, the programmer, the end user who initiated the task? The legal and insurance industries are scrambling to answer this, and it's a huge area for disruption and new business models. The second is the impact on human connection. If an elderly person spends their final years interacting primarily with a machine that is programmed to mimic human behavior, what does that do to their sense of reality and connection? While the robot provides a service, it lacks genuine empathy. We have to be careful not to confuse functional replacement with emotional replacement. The human need for connection is not something a machine can fulfill, and that is a key insight for any entrepreneur building services around this technology. The third is the sheer scale of the workforce shift. Unlike previous industrial revolutions, this one is targeting white-collar and service jobs. This is not just a technology problem, it's a societal one. We have to ensure that as we automate tasks, we are also creating pathways for people to rapidly reskill and find new purpose. The Gen Z audience is perfectly positioned for this, as they are digital natives who can adapt faster than any previous generation. This technology is moving fast. The development cycle for a new humanoid robot is now measured in months, not years. Within the next 5 years, these machines will move out of the labs and into your local grocery store, hospital, and fulfillment center. This isn't a future threat, it's a present-day reality that demands immediate action. Your action plan is simple. Identify your most automatable tasks. What part of your current work or side hustle is repetitive and predictable? That is the part the robots will take first. Invest in the robot ecosystem skills. Focus on programming, data validation, and maintenance skills that service the machines, not the tasks the machines perform. Double down on human value. Cultivate your uniquely human skills. Empathy, creativity, complex negotiation, and the ability to handle novel, unexpected situations. These are the only skills the humanoid robots cannot touch. The ultimate takeaway here is that humanoid robots are not coming to end work. They are coming to transform it. They are the biggest tool for automation we have ever seen. The smart entrepreneur doesn't fear the tool, they learn to wield it. If you are serious about building an income stream that is future-proof, you need to be part of the solution, not part of the problem. Subscribe to the channel now for more deep dives into the tech trends that are changing how we make money. The question is, are you going to be the one who programs the robot or the one being replaced by it? Let me know in the comments.